once again, life has sort of just thrown a curveball. We're all sick. Well, I was sick first, and then Anastasia. But of course, our sickness was like, one day, and we're good. And then Andrew got sick on Monday, and then it was really bad yesterday. 102 Fahrenheit fever. So if it didn't go away, obviously we'd go to hospital. But luckily it broke. And now we're good. Well, good loosely. It's now getting warmer outside. The fear of the worry of that giant ice chunk that kind of fell down over there, melting all in that one place, not being the best thing in the world. We're gonna go and try and move them really quick. Andrew tried, but he was sick. Didn't really pan out at all. Not sure what I can do, but on the bright side, they're a lot smaller now because they melted. I'm gonna go and give it my best shot to move them. My strength. I promise wear the proper gloves. I'll wear Elite's gloves. I was out there earlier today and it's pretty slippery too, and some proper shoes. Yeah, we're gonna have to repair a lot of stuff in the garden too. Admittedly, that all the wood was rotten and needed to be updated anyway, but so that'll be a future garden project that's coming up on the channel. That'd be really fun. 2, I got family coming next week with another project I want to work on. Our walls suck in the sense that putting anything heavy on them is probably a hazard. So what I want to do is build a fake wall that does its best to be supported and strong, and we can mount a TV on it, because our front room is currently acting like a pseudo living room, but it's kind of becoming a real living room at this point because it just seems to work better for our family. And I want to put a TV on the wall because currently it's on a folding table, just into reach of our child, which is not the best thing in the world. Once we get that fake wall built and designed, I'll show you what I'm thinking. All right, but for now, let's just go outside and see what we're dealing with. That was a lot more solid this morning. So we still have quite a bit of snow, but I don't know if you believe me, but it's actually +3 right now. And here's the other angle of the damage. So a couple years ago, I think now, that's the gutter that was lost to ice, but now it's this one. We kind of expected it. They switched over to a metal roof, but then they didn't adjust the gutters so that if there were sheets of ice to fall off it, which it looks like were to fall, it shouldn't have hit the gutter. It should have just fell off and hit the stairs, because that's. But here we are. Okay. Let's give this the best shot. We care. Where we have issues of water in the basement in this corner, adding all this would kind of suck. Actually, I think I have a pickaxe. Smaller pieces would probably be easier. The pickaxe is in the basement. My neighbors got home. How's everybody doing? Kind of show. That's a lot better. I couldn't move this thing much farther, but if it melts, it won't melt to that corner at least now. I guess I should get rid of that too, but work on it. Can't get out of here because I don't feel like dealing with any more interesting problems that pop up today. But hopefully the basement in this area is going to be a little bit nicer now. I can show you it later when we do the basement stuff. But by then, hopefully it'll be dry. This is the other project I started talking about. This one I was going to remove anyway, but that doesn't look too good. These are okay. Those definitely survived. But these two covered ones, originally I finished like strawberries to keep the birds out, but as you may be able to tell, the roofs aren't holding up too well. Maybe the roof, all the wood is rotting anyway, but yeah, future projects.